you can access many additional TikTok features by setting your account to business. So I'll show you how to switch between personal and business TikTok account. For that, firstly, let's open up the TikTok and click Profile in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three lines in the top right to open up the settings and privacy. And then underneath the account section, click on the account tab. After that, you should see this option switch to business account. Let's click it. And now just tap next again, and choose a category that best describes your account. This category won't be displayed publicly. So let's scroll through the list and choose, for example, media and entertainment. I'm gonna tap next. And then you need to add your email. Also, you can skip this step, but I'm gonna just add it. Like that. And let's click add. If you want to, you can add bio or you can skip this step. Now, let's tap the cross, go back. Let's refresh the page. And to confirm that you have switched to the business TikTok account, you just need to tap on the three lines once again. And then you should see additional features such as Business Suite. You can click on it. And here you can just scroll through the additional features such as Analytics, Product Link, Video Settings, Promote, and so on. Now, to switch back to the personal account, you just need to go back to your profile, click on three lines once again, access Settings and Privacy, and then tap Account. As we did before, just click on the Switch to Personal Account, and it will warn you that you will lose all business account features. Just tap Switch anyway, and you'll be switched back to personal account. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to see more useful content.